Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is actually better off than Vick's Vapour. Now I'm not saying Vick's Vapour is not good or other stuff, but this is good too and it does the job, and you are going to be seeing the effect after a few days, okay? But in this remedy, you also have to follow suit with a little bit of exercise and control what you eat, you know, like soda, like carbohydrates. You know, you don't need to eat all of those things like too much, yeah, okay? Yeah, so if you want to know what it is, please continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's go into the video. Alright, for a stomach fat reduction, we're going to be needing ginger powder. Alright, so this is how I got my ginger powder. I actually got some fresh ginger. I diced them into pieces and dried them, and then I blended it. Then I got a ginger powder. Okay, now ginger powder contains around 40 antioxidant properties that prevent free radical damage and protect against aging. This also trigger fat cells. And then we're gonna be making use of onion. Now onion is a great and natural remedy for the skin. The skin of onions are also rich in source of flavonoid, particularly quercetin, a protein oxidant and anti-inflammatory. This helps also in, you know, dissolving the fat cells, and it therefore helps to keep your stomach flatter and your skin healthier. Then we're going to be needing coconut oil. Coconut oil hydrates the skin. It helps to improve the skin elasticity and collagen production. It's also known for its anti-aging property. Coconut oil is great in making your skin smooth. It helps to reduce the damage from the free radicals and sun rays. So lastly, we're going to be needing vitamin E capsule. Putting this in this mixture would help us to keep our skin elasticity in firm, so as when you reduce your weight, you're not going to have a loose and flappy, saggy skin. Okay, it diminishes more permanent scars, and it's also an antioxidant remedy that helps to promote the skin growth. Alright, for the ginger powder, I'm gonna be taking in, you can take 1 cup of, oh my god, that's too much. You can take 1 cup of this cup, or you can take 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 cup is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. And then you put in the vitamin E capsule, pour in a little bit of coconut oil, stir the ingredients all together. Okay, so it's gonna be looking somewhat thick, just like this. And now let's prepare the onion. So I'm gonna cut open the onion. We'll be dicing the onion so we can get it in smooth shape. Now we're going to be blending the onion. So I'm going to be getting the juice of the onion. So we're going to be extracting the juice. Alright, so this is how it looks like. And now I'm just going to turn that into it. And then we'll try to mix and stir this all up. Alright, so this is how it looks like right now. And you're going to apply this on your tummy. You cover it up with a clothing nylon or any nylon, and it's going to give you the utmost result that you are looking for. Okay, so I'm going to be experimenting it using my hands. You have to pardon my hands because, man, my stomach is you'll get to find out, don't worry. Okay, so what you do is that you grab this treatment like this, and then you apply it onto your hands. It's not gonna be hot nor do anything, but it's actually when you cover it up, that's when you're going to be feeling the heat of this treatment. So you have to make sure that it goes deep into your skin. And after doing that, you get a clothing leather just like this, and then you cover this up on your tummy. This has actually been helpful for me throughout my flat tummy journey. Okay, so you cover it up this way. Okay, so when you keep this, you have to like romance it or like massage it like this, and then you can use your either you use girdle or you use your waist trainer, you know, to cover this up, and it's actually going to help you to remove all of those fat. And you're gonna sweat a whole lot, guys. So what you do is that when you remove it, you're going to see that you're gonna sweat so much. So you can repeat this every day, every morning, and then you add up a little bit of exercise, and then you have to control the way you eat too much of carbohydrate food and fatty food and soda. Okay, so that these things will work, because they are not magic. It just work because it's natural. Okay, so that's it. After that, then you loosen it, wash it off. The next day you apply it. Your stomach fat in 3 weeks is going to be completely gone with the help of this, plus exercise, plus your diet. When you can wrap it overnight, you can wrap it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, as the case may be, as you might be able to, you know, hold it. Now when you remove it, just like I earlier said, you're going to sweat a whole lot, and your fat cells is going to be dissolved, and you are going to be beginning to notice a huge difference from day 5. So if you actually enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless, and bye guys. Stay beautiful, man. Bye.